What's up everybody, Teancum here with Sew Yeah Quilting. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you make this plus quilt. Something I want everyone to keep in mind is that the color options or our color choices make a big difference in what the quilt looks like. So stay tuned to the very end to see what our second quilt's going to look like. Let's get started. Diving right on into our cutting instructions, as you can see in front of me, I've already pre-cut most of my fabric down. This one right here and this one right here are both 4.5 by 4.5 inch squares. The black piece here is 2 by 4.5 inches long. These two pieces in front of me, right here we got a 3 by 3 square, and right here is a 2 by 3. I'm going to slide everything aside except for my 3 by 3 and my 2.5, or sorry, my 2 by 3, and we're going to start sewing. So all we got to do first is we're going to take one of our black pieces and one of our whites, put them right sides together, and we're going to sew our 1/4 inch seam all the way down. And we're going to repeat this process until we have 4 of these little rectangles. So I'm going to do the same thing, right sides together and sew. I'm going to take these over to the ironing board and press them to the dark side. It is super important on this quilt that we press everything towards the dark side because we have so much white and black in our next one that we're making. Now that I finished sewing and ironing up my little black and whites here together, it's time to grab our 4.5 by 2 inch longer black strips, and what we're going to do is sew these onto the side of the ones that we have just sewn previously. So we're going to put these right sides together and sew our 1/4 inch seam. Now that I've sewn our two pieces together, I'm going to do this 4 more times so I have 4 of these white and black squares. So I just finished sewing these together and I've ironed them all to the dark side. Our next step is to assemble the block. This is a really simple quilt to make. I'm going to take my print pieces and my white piece for the center, and I'm going to start assembling this. Now what I like to do is make sure I get my white and black blocks in the right order. That way I don't make any mistakes on this. I'm going to slide these up so you guys can see this in the top camera. So that is the layout. You want all of your black pieces kind of like in a line so they all go pointing to each other. Then we're going to take our print. I'm going to lay it down in the missing gaps here. That right there is the block. So let's start sewing this together. We're going to start with our top. We're going to lay our two pieces here, right sides together, and sew our seam. Now I'm going to add the right side. Next I'm going to work on my middle row. I'm going to put our right sides together. I'm going to keep following these steps all the way through the block. So now that I have all 3 rows sewn, I'm going to take them over to the ironing board and iron them all out flat, only pressing though to the dark side. So now it's time to attach our rows, and if you notice when you iron these all to the dark side, it's already prepared so that your seams nest. So I'm going to take my top row, I'm going to lay it down on my middle row, and make sure my seams line up with each other. I'm going to take this over to the sewing machine and sew my 1/4 inch seam. Now I'm going to open it up and make sure I'm putting my next row on the right side. I'm going to lay it right sides together and make sure my seams line up and do the exact same thing. Now I'm going to iron open up this block again, trying to press as much as I can to the dark side, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what the block actually looks like. When you put 4 of these blocks together, it makes that plus like you see behind me here. So I'm going to show you how we do that. Now that I have this one, I'm going to lay this down and I'm going to take another block. I'm going to lay it right next to it. And as you can see, I got half my plus here. I'm going to put them right sides together and I'm going to create a long row of these, which then I'll sew my rows together and that will be our finished quilt top. So I'm going to sew 2 more onto this and that will be my row. So I'll have 4 per row and we'll be right back. So I got a little bit ahead of myself and I sewed the whole thing together. So let me show you what I mean though about sewing 4 blocks together makes the plus. You can see here in front of me, I've got my nice plus here, but it's actually 4 blocks coming together that makes this plus. I've got my pink one, my blue one, my gray one, and my multicolor one sewn together that makes that plus. Now that our quilt top is all done, I'm going to take it across the building to our in-house longerer to have it finished. As always, if you've liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't be afraid to share it with your friends. As always, I'm going to leave instructions on how to make this in the description below. My name's Teancum, teaching you how to sew like a pro. We'll see you here next week at Sew Yeah Quilting.